my name is Nur Kaisaraidina binti Aina Azmir. I'm from Faculty of Accountancy, Diploma in Accounting.
Hi, my name is Nuri Azmina binti Azmir. I'm from Faculty of Accountancy and Diploma in Accounting.
Hi, my name is Akil Muzbir Kamal Hafizi. I'm from Faculty of Accountancy, Diploma in Accounting.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Khalid Bifra Anwar from Faculty of Accountancy, Diploma in Accounting.
Question number 1. You can read this question. And in this question, 350,000 ringgit is the P, 6.5% is the K, compound every 3 months is M equal to 4, 5 years is the T. So in this question, we use the formula of S equal to P divided by 1 plus I the power of n. So in this formula we can put all the information. To find I is we use K per M. So K 0.065, M is 4. And to find N is M divided by T. M is 4, T is 5. 4 divided by 5 is 20. You can calculate all this. You can solve all this problem use calculator. So we get 483,146.92. This is for option A. And option B is RM 450,000 ringgit. So option A is provide the higher value.
For question 2, we have the T is 3, and for the principal we have 18,500, and for the interest we have 4.8%, and for compounded we have 3 times a year, and for the X is unknown, and for the 2 years is T is 2, and M is still the same for 3, and the N is 6, and for this N is 9. So the first step that we have to do is to find the S1. So to find S1, we have to use 11,675.90 equal to S1 using the formula of 1 plus 0.048 divided by 3 to the power of 6. And the S1, we get 10,697.02. After we get the S1, we need to find the amount of withdrawal. So using the S1, 10,697.02 equal to principal 80,500, using the same formula as above, 0.048 divided by 3 to the power of 9, because we use the before, and minus the X. To find the X, we have to simplify this, so we get 21,341 and 0.02 minus 10,397.02. So the final answer we get 10,644, and that's the final answer of amount withdrawal.
Okay, now for question 3. Subhashini invested RM3,200 in a fund that pays interest at 14.08%, compounded every 2 months. After 2 years, the amount in the account becomes 7,376 ringgit. From this question, we can find out that P equals to 3,200, K equals to 0.1408 in decimal form, M equal to 6 years, and S equals to 7,376 ringgit. For this question, we will use this formula, which is compounded interest formula. Question A. They want us to find the values of t. So we just substitute this information into the formula, and we will use simple algebraic technique, and we will solve first what inside the bracket, leaving us to this. And next, we will have to use the law of logarithm, which is just bringing the exponent into the base of equation. And after, we will get like this. After we solve the equation, we will get approximately t equals to 6 years. And now, question B, total amount if the deposit was extended for another 3 years. And C, total interest earned at the end of investment. For B, we already find out that t equal to 6 years. So now, just plus 3 to the t, we will get RM 11,197 ringgit and 73 cents. And for C, we just calculate the amount and we minus back with the P, and we will get 7,997 ringgit and 73 cents. And now question 4. Jamila sold her condominium in Salak Tinggi, Sepang for RM 520,000 ringgit and used the 70% of the amount as a down payment to buy a retirement home in her hometown. She then took a loan from a bank to cover the remaining costs of the new property, which was priced at 700,000 ringgit. The bank then charges 4.4% interest compounded monthly, and the loan term is 20 years. From this question, we can find out that k equal to 0.054, m equal to 12, and t equal to 20 years. And now for A, we need to use a simple present value formula, which is this. And first thing first, we have to find I, which is k over m equal to 0.054 over 12, and we will get 0.045. And then we have to calculate the A, which is 700,000 minus the 70% of the sale value, and we get 336.6 thousand. And then we have to find the monthly repayment amount and determine the total interest charged, which is A, we just substitute into the formula, and we will get 2,292 ringgit and 37 cents. And B, we have to find the interest, which is Rn minus A equals to 2292.37 times 27 minus 336,000, and we will get the answer is 214,168 ringgit and 80 cents. Immediately after 15 years, she decides to settle the balance of the loan, find the outstanding balance. We already know that she took a long term, which is 20 years, and after 15 years, she decides to settle the balance. So the remaining years is 5. We just convert it into months, and we will get 60, and the answer is RM 120,302 ringgit 56 cents. Let's now take a look at question D. If she fails to pay the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount she has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. For this question, we have to use the future value formula, and because she didn't pay for the first 5 months, we need to use the t equals to 6 months, and we will get 13,909 ringgit 89 cents.
So for the last question, as you can read here, our cash price is Y. Down payment is 10% of Y. The R is 705 and our T is 3 years. Interest is 6.9% and compounded monthly means our M is 12. So find the cash price. To find the cash price, we need to know that to find a cash price minus down payment. So as we see here, our cash price is Y. The down payment is 10% from Y. So we calculate this. Our A is 0.9Y. Use this formula. A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus 1 plus I, power of negative n over I. Then we can substitute all the information here. A is 0.9Y, 705, 1 minus 1 plus, to find I we can use K over M. K is 0.069 over 12. To find N is negative M times 3, so negative 36 over I. Then we can calculate all this using our calculator. 0.9y equals to 22,866.30 cents. To find y, our cash price is 22,866.30 cents over 0.9. Then we can get our y is 25,407. This is our cash price. That's it. Thank you.